My baby already has a pacifier, see? It's a bottle. Wait, I can put this on my baby.
The bib.
That's a bib. Keeps their clothes clean. When
Okay,
they
put
eat.
the bib on.
First I got to them all of here. Now the piggy's going to sit here in the potty. He's pottying.
Your baby's crying.
Get orange syrup. You have to put it in the bottle. Okay, now feed the baby.
Trying to do it.
There you go. That's as close as you can get with that baby. Pretend. Boop, boop, boop. Check your baby's temperature. Now,
Fruits are good and healthy. Baby won't like this thing, so we get this. Baby won't like this stuff, so I'll do this one. Let her like this big one. Okay, now. Wait, I have to go there. Is that pretend?
Yes.
pretend.
What?
It's big.
You want to go party?
dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.